Mom?
National Secret Service. Please come inside.
KGB?
So, Mom, do you know that she's in the sect?
I'm not in the sect. No, Mom. She's in sect?
She goes to that place underground and then chants loudly, early morning. Chant and dance like crazy, mad people, mad person.
Yes, I go to that temple and then I chant loudly the names of God. What is the problem in that? And then I dance because I feel so happy?
No, because she follows that religion, a kind of religion, sect. She won't get married, you know that? She won't get married because their literatures teach she shouldn't get married, and you won't see any grandchildren. She won't have any kids also.
She won't get married. She won't have any... No. Sir, that is not true. It is not like that. We can live normal life. I can get married and have kids.
But listen, child. You should worship Allah. Allah is God. You should worship Him.
Yes, you call Allah as Almighty, which is translated from Arabic into English, and I call Allah as All Attractive, very beautiful, which is from Sanskrit. It is translated into English as All Attractive. So what's the difference in that?
Allah is God. Allah is God. You should worship Him. I told you.
Sir, if you're Muslim, if you're worshipping Allah, you may be doing namaz 5 times a day. The same thing I do daily. I offer daily prayers. On top of that, 2 hours I call out the names of God by chanting His holy names. So what's the problem in that?
Look at her. She's brainwashed. You are losing your daughter.
Brainwashed. What happened to my daughter? What happened to my daughter? I lost my daughter. Sir, I'm worshipping God. I'm worshipping all attractive God.
Allah is God. You should worship Him. Allah is God.
You're playing, I think, politics and playing on my mom's emotions. It is not fair, sir.
See how her behavior is? She is fully under control, brainwashed. Mom, you're losing your daughter. Stop, I'm telling you. Now this is the warning. And this is the last warning, first and last. University or that sect, okay?
No, sir.
I am National Security Servant. If she wants to study, Mom, if she wants to study in this university, she has to stop going to that religion or some kind of sect. Otherwise, if we find her in that underground temple they call a sect, we will ban her from the university. She is not allowed to study in the university. That is a full stop. And I'm giving you only 1 week of time. If she doesn't do that, you be ready to take your daughter home.
No, it's so difficult for her. It was so difficult to enter into the university. No, I cannot allow this happen. She was chosen to this university and then she has to complete it. I cannot allow this happen. Please, sir, I'll take care of her. Please, sir. She will follow what you said, but please, I don't want her to leave the studies. Please, sir. I'll manage. I'll take care. Mom, don't listen to him. Just for worshipping God, I'm not allowed to study in this university? No, that's not fair. That's not fair, sir.